A great racing wheel stand can transform your driving simulation setup, giving you stability, comfort, and a more realistic racing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a serious sim racer, the best racing wheel stands offer strong build quality, adjustability, and compatibility with popular wheels and pedals. In this guide, we highlight the top options to help you choose the perfect stand for your setup. Starting at number 1, OpenWheeler Gen 3 Racing Wheel Stand. The OpenWheeler Gen 3 Racing Wheel Simulator Stand Cockpit is a premium, USA-designed setup built for serious sim racers who value durability, comfort, and upgrade flexibility. Compatible with popular wheels like Logitech G923, G29, G920, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec, this cockpit works seamlessly with Xbox One, PS4, and PC platforms. Its modular design allows easy expansion, letting you convert the cockpit into a full flight simulator setup or even a comfortable console gaming lounge. The included full-size racing seat, available in 6 vibrant colors, is built with a steel tubular frame and thick cold-cured foam for long session comfort, upholstered in breathable, long-lasting PU fabric that outperforms typical PU leather. The cockpit arrives with all necessary tools and hardware for quick assembly, stores easily, and features optional left or right side shifter mounts, sold separately. With lifetime warranty on metal parts and a 5-year seat warranty, OpenWheeler delivers exceptional quality and long-term reliability. Number 2, Best Brose Racing Steering Wheel Stand. The Best Brose adjustable racing steering wheel stand is a sturdy and versatile cockpit accessory designed for gamers who want a stable and customizable racing setup. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, it delivers excellent strength and stability, preventing unwanted movement even during intense gameplay. The stand features fully adjustable height and pedal angles, allowing you to find the most comfortable and ergonomic driving position. Compatible with a wide range of popular racing wheels and pedals, including Logitech G25, G27, G29, G920, Thrustmaster models, and Fanatec systems, it works seamlessly across multiple platforms. Assembly takes only minutes, even for beginners. Simply adjust the stand to your preferred height, tighten the screws, and you're ready to play. Its foldable design makes storage easy without taking up much space. Please note that the wheel, shifter, and pedals are not included. Number 3, Next Level Racing Wheel Stand. The Next Level Racing Wheel Stand 2.0 is a durable, fully adjustable racing wheel stand designed for serious sim racers who want stability, flexibility, and upgrade potential. Its foldable design allows for quick storage, making it ideal for players with limited space. The stand offers extensive adjustability for both the wheel and pedal plates, helping you achieve the perfect driving position. It includes height-adjustable gear shifter and handbrake mounts that can be installed on either side, while the integrated game chair cradle keeps your gaming seat firmly in place during heavy braking. Compatible with all major racing brands, including Logitech, Thrustmaster, Fanatec, and Moza, the stand comes pre-drilled for easy installation. It can also be upgraded into a complete racing cockpit with the optional GT seat add-on, sold separately, making it a future-proof choice for expanding your sim racing setup. Number 4, Marada Sim Racing Wheel Stand. The Marada Sim Racing Wheel Stand features a strong X-shaped design that provides excellent stability, keeping your wheel firmly in place even during intense racing sessions. With 80% of the stand pre-assembled and all mounting holes pre-drilled, setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Additional drilling is supported if needed. Its fully adjustable layout allows you to customize the stand height, pedal angle, and steering wheel platform angle, and it folds in just 5 seconds for easy storage. Compatible with popular racing gear such as Logitech G25, G27, G29, G920, and Thrustmaster T300RS, T500RS, and more, this versatile stand gives users a flexible, space-saving way to enhance their racing experience. Please note that the wheel, pedals, and handbrake are not included. Number 5, CXRCY Racing Wheel Stand. The CXRCY Racing Wheel Stand is a height-adjustable and foldable simulator stand designed for gamers who want a customizable and space-efficient racing setup. Compatible with popular racing wheels like Logitech G25, G27, G29, G920, and Thrustmaster models such as T300RS, TXF458, T500RS, and T3PA Pro. It also supports other wheels that can be clamped on. The stand allows height adjustment from 23.6 to 28.7. helping you find the perfect driving position for long, comfortable gaming sessions. Built from durable steel tubing and equipped with anti-slip mats, it provides excellent stability and holds your wheels securely with extra-wide mounting panels. Its foldable design, collapsing to just 32 versus 17's 8.4, makes it easy to store when not in use, saving space in any room. Backed by professional customer support, this stand is a reliable and convenient choice for enhancing your racing experience.